Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy, Mr. Butter the Bread here. I am not all set up yet. Don't know why I didn't think of that. Um, but whatever. So we're gonna be flying from. Actually, we're gonna be flying. We're gonna do a basic training mission. But I want to say something here before I screen record something. It's gonna be a part one video. I'm gonna be talking about what I want to do with my channel, and I want you guys to comment down below. What should I do? Should I should I do like in real life stories? Like think of I don't know, think of an airplane crash that happened, and you know I reenact of what happened, or should I do like emergency landing stuff where I have to like maneuver my way out of it? Now this is what's going to be the video, is where I try to get my thing, where I try to get myself um uh, a situation where like we're going down. So as you're gonna see me taxi, we're gonna taxi out with a 737-800 American Airlines, and we're gonna fly. I'm gonna do a short flight with a 737-800. We're looking for American Airlines. Now we should be good. You're just gonna see me taxi to whatever gate I can. It looks like still 22 left or 22 right. Or we could go to any other runway, but for now, actually, let's do 15. Let's do 15 right. We'll fly out to 15 right, and we should be good. But yeah, go also follow my Instagram, and all the above. And I'm doing this in my basement. Looks pretty messy, I know, because I just moved in. But but yeah, we're just gonna get ready here. I can't fly online right now because my game seems to be having some difficulties. Whoa, that's creepy. This thing's moving by itself. Anyways, no biggie. We're just gonna taxi out to 15 right. I'm gonna get my phone plugged in, because what good is it to not to have your phone plugged in? So, anyways, we're just gonna do a quick little video, and so we're just gonna taxi out. We're gonna push back. Setting pushback 1203 American Airlines. Anyways, I love the Boeing 737s. Like, they're really nice aircraft, and they're really good. And really like the wingtips that they give on the end of their aircraft, but that's about it. Why are we on the other end of the runway? Nope. Can't tell which side of the runway we're going to be on, but we're just going to take a nice little left out of here. Now, these Boeing 737s have been tricky for me, because the rudder has been on the other side and doing different things, which I don't get why. It's not a normal aircraft. But, again, screw it, because I'm, Mr. Butter the Bread. I do things my own way here. So, yeah, 15 right is out there. Gosh dang it. Whatever. We'll taxi out. Anyways, the sound quality is really bad right now. which I could turn that down, but I'm not sure if I turned my mic down. But anyways, I'm playing with my computer here for taxiing out. We're gonna get everything ready for the pre-flight on the pre-flight checklist, and just let me do my work here. And yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna set my flaps to about 15 degrees. 15. Rudder set. Altitude heading warning. 20,000. Now, if you guys see me like saying we're gonna go to 20,000 feet, we're really not. We're just gonna like act like it's gonna be a failure or something like that. But other than that, yeah. So, anyways, you'll see me get out to about the runway here, which that's 15 right there. So, yeah. So you'll see me take off here, and then once we get up in the air, we'll leave you with the cliffhanger. Okay, we're gonna slow that guy. We're gonna slow him down. Okay, clear for takeoff, American 1437. American 1437, right main traffic to Miami. Okay. Yep, Roger Bravo, setting 103, ready for takeoff. Ready. Fly heading. Here we go. Up. Massive up in the air, but that's going to be V1 and rotate. I'm going to fly 20,000 feet. Alright, so yeah, I'm about to end the video here, but we'll resume for part 2 in just a second. And we got an engine warning. Engine number 2 is going out. Alright, engine number 2 is going out. We're going to have to stabilize the aircraft. Climb to about 6,000. We're going to get up here. We have to. But anyways, yeah, Mr. Butter the Bread is out, and I gotta find a way that we can fix this mechanical problem and land safely on the ground for the people. Okay, we're ready. Okay, yep, Mr. Butter the Bread is out, and I'll see you next video. Right? Hold up. Yeah, I'll see you next video, guys. You know it's popping.